Sunday naman yung mga kids. Okay, ngayon yung mga nanay, mag-ready na kayo. Wala kayong target na mailabas na. Okay, yung mga nanay siguro ay isang Sunday. Kaya, be ready. Okay, magpalain ng Lord yung ating mga offering sa pamahalaan nila Sus. Tayo po ay humingi ng mapayapa. Taglay ang pag-iingat ng Panginoon at tanggapin natin yung pagpapala buhat sa ating Diyos. Amen. Amen. Okay? God bless you.
What has life to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? They say it's difficult. What has life to offer me? Yes, when I grow old. What's there beyond sleep, eat, what's there to look forward to beyond the biting? Nothing else round here, they say you must try. Yes, stereotypical. What's there beyond sleep, eat, work, and this cruel life? Ain't there nothing